don't get me wrong, sure we're having fun, but it don't mean that I'm in love. I like you a lot, but you gotta step up. I'm through trying to tell you what to do, how to make me fall for you.
If you want to participate in our open collab, keep on watching for more info. Thank you.
Deep hole where I bleed. Oh, can I seal it? You're like an ocean without land, not a single grain of sand. I'm drifting on it.
Bonjour, bonsoir mes amours, bienvenue sur ma chaîne. Hey you guys, welcome back. Thank you so much for being here. If you are new, welcome. Thank you so much for clicking on today's video. My name is Linda. In this video, I am going to show you how to make your bed look expensive, luxurious. And this video is in collaboration with one of my YouTube sisters. Now let's get started. Hope you enjoy. If you do, let me know in the comment down below, and also don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Let's get into it.
Making it brighter, right through the gray.
Okay guys, I am collaborating with one of my YouTube sisters. Her name is Tenji. Her channel's name is Home Decor DIYs and More with Tenji Web. On her channel, she posts tons of home decor, cooking, cleaning DIYs. You will enjoy her channel. And her house is so beautiful. When you are done watching my video, head over to her channel, show her some love, and let her know that Linda sent you. And I will link her channel in my description box down below. If you are from Tenji's channel, hello and welcome. Thank you so much for being here. My name is Linda. I am a wife, a mom. On my channel, I post tons of home decor, a little bit cooking and cleaning. Please consider subscribing before you leave. I would love you to be part of my YouTube family. Now, let's get started, and also give this video a big thumbs up. Let's get it done. Thank you so much for being here. Keep on watching.
Really distant, but your beam is guiding me home. So cold, yet warm. When you hold me, when you close, I know, I'm a lost case, I'm a mess. But everything feels a little bit lighter with you. Something's letting me heal. You're making it brighter, right through the gray.
Welcome to the GLAM Bosses Open Collab, Linda and Tenji. We have two open collabs coming up for this month, Tablescape and a coffee station. But to participate in this open collab, it's Valentine's Day, baby. To participate in this open collab, you must subscribe to the host and the co-host channel. The host is Tenji, the co-host is me, styled by Miss Linda. You must mention the host and the co-host channel in your video. You must add the host and the co-host channel's link in your description box. The first one is a tablescape. You must use hashtag peace and love tablescape. The upload date is January 24th at 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Everyone who participates in this collab, the video will be in our playlist. For the coffee station, you must use hashtag peace and love coffee station. The upload date is January 27th at 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Thank you so much. Good luck. Now keep on watching.
Everything feels a little bit lighter with you. Something's letting me heal. You're making it brighter, right through the gray.
Somebody ought to come along and let you down.
Thank you to all of my new and returning subscribers for all of your support. I appreciate every single one of you. Thank you guys so much for everything, comment, liking. I truly appreciate you guys. Thank you so much. If you are new, welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. My name is Linda. I am a mom, a wife. On my channel, I post tons of home decor, a little bit of cooking and cleaning. Please consider subscribing before you leave. I would love you to be part of my YouTube family. And also, like this video. If you are new, let me know in the comment down below. I would love to know you better. Thank you so much. Now, keep on watching.
Somebody said it should be easy to forgive. We all make mistakes and no one lives without sin. But why'd you have to break my heart? I wasn't ready to let you go yet. And now you're standing at my door, thinking that I'm gonna let you in. But if you wanted to be loved, you should've never let me go. Hope somebody will break your heart, so you could feel this pain and know what it's like to be left out in the cold, standing by yourself, no one to hold. If you still wanted to be loved, you should have never let me go. If you still wanted to be loved, you should have never let me go. But if you wanted to be loved, you should have never let me go. Hope somebody will break your heart, so you could feel my pain and know what it's like to be left out in the cold, standing by yourself, no one to hold. If you still wanted to be loved, you should have never let me go. You should have never let me go. How can I compare thee when no one ever could come close? Look around, but I can't see. That is usually just how it goes. Brought a new horizon, opened up our doors to something more. Spun me round and you shook me, got me tainted to the core. So tell me what to do when nothing, no one ever comes close to you, close to you. For the longest time I've been trying to find someone like you, but I keep crashing back into all the things that you would do. For the longest time I've been out of my mind, trying to lose every single trace of you, but I know it's true.
Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoy, let me know in the comment down below. See you next time in my next video. Bye, ciao, tata, au revoir, à la prochaine, à bientôt, adios, bye, ciao.
I said nothing comes close to you. When I close my eyes now, like I got your smile going on repeat. You're the star of my movie, but now it's done, still stuck in my seat. Ain't getting off easy, like I'm doing time, yeah,